traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is the big FOMC interest rate news for the US, and it is likely going to be the first interest rate cut that we've seen in at least 4 years, so I expect today to be very, very volatile. And I will be live streaming for that news event later on today, so definitely make sure you stop in and see my latest outlook on your favorite pairs during my YouTube live stream. So anyways, I still think this is likely all part of either an expanding flat wave C or possibly a running flat wave C. A running flat would make a lower high, and an expanding flat would make a higher high. Either way, I don't think it's too big of a deal to know yet because either way it is going to lead to a big uptrend still. Going down to the weekly, I still think this is a wave 1 ending here. I think this is ending a wave 2, and that means that this is a wave 1 of 3. So this is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3, and I think this is all part of a wave 3, and I think over the coming months it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows for this wave 3 of either the expanding flat or the running flat. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, on the daily, it just looks like 3 waves down, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3 waves down. Fibonacci bounce and golfing up. I mean, it just looks like an uptrend that is continuing all subdivisions of that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it looks like impulsive down, it looks like corrective up, it looks like impulsive down. We got a Fibonacci bounce, we got a break of structure to the upside. Seems like we have the end of a correction. Now, lower interest rates, which I mean they are expecting the lower interest rates, would likely mean a weaker dollar, and a weaker dollar would likely mean a stronger currency like the euro and the pound. So fundamentally, you would definitely expect that all these pairs would go up. Now, just from my experience, the fundamentals, at least in the short term, almost never line up with what you see on the charts. So I'm almost thinking that this might even end up doing something like this, going down, making some sort of like an ABCDE or something like that, and then maybe later on, sometime even next week, is when it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we got nice and positive down. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because it looks like we're making a move to the upside after making an impulsive move down. So impulsive down, corrective up. I would be watching these Fibonacci levels very closely because if we get a reversal at a Fibonacci level, it's probably likely to make another push down. Now, like I was just saying, fundamentally, you would definitely expect today's news to cause the continuation of the uptrend because lower interest rates should be negative for the dollar, which would be positive for the pound dollar. Unfortunately, fundamentals almost never line up with what you see on the charts, so we're going to have to be careful. I mean, I kind of foresee that this may actually just keep on going down, like what I showed on the 4 hour time frame, and then maybe even next week is when the fundamentals will start lining up and it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. But either way, definitely make sure you stop in and see my live stream later on. I will be live streaming for that news event, so that way you can see my latest analysis on your favorite pair. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.